Hello all, and welcome to our discussion on chapters 9 and 10, diverse family structures and social economic status in families. There are no slides, so you're just going to see this. And this week I'm inviting you to read our two links that are in our module. So, a feeling of belonging is critical to every child and family's well-being. The drive to form relationships with others begins in infancy and continues throughout early childhood. These relationships help children fulfill their potential in all areas of development: physical, social, emotional, and cognitive. Quality early childhood education programs can expand children's experiences of forming relationships when the culture and core curriculum partners with families and community central themes. Many families have multiple identities and might include themselves in multiple family definitions. Most children see the caring adults who love and take care of them as their family and will refer to them in that way. It is important to recognize the complexity and variation amongst all families. It is recommended to connect with families to find out the language that they use to refer to their families to help respectfully answer questions from children when they may arise at school. Understanding and conversations are important to gain insight into the structures of each family unit. It also assists in the individualization of the support offered to each child. Families come to an early childhood setting with distinct family structures and cultures that give meaning and direction to their lives. All families are complex and influenced by many factors: family traditions, countries of origin, geographic regions, ethnic identities, cultural groups, community norms, sexual orientation, gender identities, educational and other experiences, personal choices, and home languages. Socioeconomic status, SES, is another form of diversity that has an impact on children's learning. SES is an economic and sociological combined total measure of a family's or individual's economic and social position in relation to others. SES is typically broken into three levels: high, middle, and low, to describe the three places a family or an individual may fall into. When placing a family or individual into one of these categories, any or all three variables, income, education, occupation, can be assessed. As we saw in our reading this week, SES can affect how a child develops. Although early childhood educators cannot change the conditions of families in poverty, gaining an understanding of the challenges created by poverty make it possible to take action to mitigate its negative effects. Using a strengths-based approach without negative assumptions or judgment increases the chances of developing and trusting relationships that a family finds helpful and supportive. Educators need to be prepared to serve a diverse array of families they will encounter across their careers. Many types of family structures have been introduced in this chapter. Programs should implement policies that acknowledge and respect different structures of families, and teachers can get to know families and ensure that all children's families are recognized and authentically included in the classroom. Families may also experience stressors such as homelessness and long-term parental/caregiver absence. As these and other stressors have cumulative effects on families, it's important that early childhood education programs offer whatever support they can to help minimize stress, or at least the effects of the stress they may be experiencing. That is all for today, and I hope everyone has a fantastic week 12, and I will see ya later. Yeah. Okay, bye.